This is the HuaLong HKNC-1500 5-axis CNC stone machining center. Designed for integrated precision processing of stone materials, it combines cutting, carving, milling, and shaping in a single system. The system is built on a 5-axis linkage structure, enabling continuous multi-angle machining through coordinated motion control. During operation, the machine executes program tool paths for precise stone shaping and surface processing. The high-power spindle ensures stable performance under continuous heavy-duty machining. It supports complex 3D engraving, curved surface processing, and optional lathe turning for cylindrical stone components. This system represents a complete solution for advanced stone fabrication, from raw material processing to final architectural components.